I am back with another Dollar Tree haul, and let's just get right into it. So I only hauled one Easter item. I should just double check. I only hauled one Easter item, and it's actually these speckled eggs. There's 6 of them. There's a white, purple, blue, yellow, pink, and like a mint. And I thought these were super cute. I'm thinking I probably should have bought more because I think you could do a lot of craft stuff with this. But for the time being, I'll probably just unwrap it and leave it in the carton and sit it out on my table. Super cute, great for Easter, and like everything else, only $1. My next item is, it's kind of ridiculous, but this was in, they have like clearance bins in the Dollar Tree, and this was in the clearance bin. So this is the Billy Blanks Tybo. Get Celebrity Fit Sculpt. I know this was really big like a long time ago, and I did it I think for tennis at some point. So this was 50 cents, and I'm trying to get a beach bod for Jamaica, so I figured it was worth a shot for 50 cents. We'll see if I can keep up. But again, could not pass it up for that price. The next thing I got was this phone stand, and it says, "I only have fries for you." So basically it's this plastic piece, and then it comes with another one that hooks into it. It'll just stand kind of at like a slant. I thought it was great for work, and I figured the people that I work with would appreciate this because we're obsessed with McDonald's, and this looks like a container of McDonald's fries, so I'm excited about this. Another thing I got for work is this little sign that says "Follow Your Dreams." It's in plastic right now because I want to just be able to throw it in my backpack. But it has like this arrow print in the back, which is kind of like a tattoo that I want to get with a compass. And it has just like a pop-out circle thing that says "Follow Your Dreams," and it's in my favorite color too. So I thought this would be a nice addition to my desk. Then I found this dish towel. I don't usually buy a whole lot of dish towels from the Dollar Tree, but I was pretty excited about this because I love margaritas. So on one side, this side, it has the frozen margarita with a recipe and all. And then the other side is for a margarita on the rocks. So I thought that was pretty freaking great. To have like an actual recipe for margaritas. So super cute. It goes with our cactus margarita glasses, which they also have back in stock at the Dollar Tree. So if you're in need of margarita glasses, I would head on over and get this towel too. The next things are actually 2 skincare items. I am so excited about these. I've been looking for these 2 items for a while. They're the Creme de Skin Nutritions. This one is a double strength retinol night repair serum. They're both 1 ounce. And then this one is a hyaluronic acid plus vitamin C serum. So I'm excited about it. I think I opened one of these just to see what it looks like on the inside, and it's really cool. It's like a dropper, and it's a glass bottle. Really nice packaging, so I don't know, I should probably take like a before and after picture and see what I look like, if there's really going to be a difference. But I will try any skincare for $1 because even a serum like this at Sephora can go for like 60 bucks. So worth the risk. These next 2 items, Nick, if you're watching, please stop watching because these are for you and they're going to be a surprise. So don't ruin it. So for Easter, for my husband, he's a big baseball guy, and I wanted to do a little something fun for him. So I saw these baseball looking eggs. It's not put together yet. It's just the front and the back. But I figured I could fill this up with some candy or a gift card or anything like that. So I figured that would be really fun for him. And then the Dollar Tree and their DVD section. I don't know. Something about it is just amazing. They had like season 6 of The Office for $1. So I don't know if you're a big Office fan, I would head on over because they had a few of those. But the one that I grabbed is this ESPN Films Collection Volume 1, and it's 5 discs, and it's just a bunch of different sports stories. So it's 5 different sports stories. One of them is about baseball, one of them is about tennis, so I was kind of excited to see that. But I thought he would really enjoy watching this. He's a big into sports, so it's a great little Easter basket find. But that is everything for this week. What I'm most excited about is the skincare. Hopefully this works and I don't have to keep purchasing expensive skincare. But yeah, thank you for watching and I will see you next time. Bye.